Welcome. You're stepping into a new version of yourself, potentially out of hermit mode and into an authentic version of you. You may have been avoiding this version of yourself for a long time. You might feel like you set the interests that you had down for a long time, feeling like they weren't good enough in some way, or that you weren't good enough in some way. And then recently felt activated into picking them back up, rediscovering who you are, and becoming the authentic version of you to a fullness. There we go, there's a nice shift. So if you've been dealing with mental blocks, emotional blocks, energetic blocks in your system for a long while now, I want you to consent by taking a deep breath in, because we're going to remove those, and release right here. Alright, another nice deep breath in right here. And on the breath out, feel it dropping away. Ooh, there we go. All the way down to Mother Earth, transmuting and helping her with neutral energy. It's time to connect into Mother Earth deeply and strongly. And bringing that knowledge and awareness to others around you. Showing others how to live in authenticity and symbiosis with each other in the natural environment. If you stayed this long, drop a comment or a heart or an emoji in the comments. And be easy on yourself and enjoy your time. 222 on the timer. Much love to you. Get in touch if you're in need of anything. Follow me on YouTube for longer videos. I'll see you in the next one.